Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to unblock a user on Roblox if you've blocked them. This is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2021. And if you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we're going to do first is come across to roblox.com, and if you haven't already, you just want to go ahead and log into your account. Okay, so once you're logged in, to unblock a user, all you need to do is come to the search bar at the top of the page and type the name of that user into the search. And then what you want to do is click where it says in people. You don't want to click any of the others where it says in people. So you just want to put their username and then give that a click. And that should come up with their profile. And what you then need to do is click onto the profile. And then all you want to do is just click onto the three dots, which is up here in the top right hand corner. And then come down and click onto Unblock User. It's just going to come out with a quick confirmation, so you just want to go ahead and click unblock. And you'll see that's now been unblocked. If I click the three dots, I've got the option to block them again if I want to. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.